Okay guys, this time we got 1999 Ford e250 econoline work truck, cargo van. And the thing is, with this, I've seen on the internet a video about some guy removing the oil from the differential, and he takes out like a quarter and a half, something like that. And this thing is supposed to take like 3.5, I think, something like that. And right now I was looking at my differential, and you can see right there, it's there's a leak, but I don't know what the leak's for. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to I'm gonna take that thing off and try to replace the fluid to see how much it has, and try to put new silicone RTB sealer, so you guys can see how much, because I was not thinking about doing the replace on this car, but I saw this leak, and I don't want it to run dry and then leave me stranded anywhere. So okay guys, so I got this thing ready, the panel, and these things to remove. That thing is only I already got this one loose. I got it loose before moving anything. These bolts are number 9/16 or number 14, but I think 9/16 is more tight, like more precise. So once you remove this, I'm gonna go from bottom to top. If you have a gun like this is gonna be super easy. So I'll let you guys see when I'm finished doing all this. Okay guys, I just removed all the bolts. As you can see, there is only one on the top I left loose. This is loose because once I get this loosened, everything is gonna fall down here. So you can see I'm from the back, and I didn't even need to jack up this car. It's a truck. This is my work van, so yeah. You just need to pry this thing open, just pry it open. And I think you need a hammer to do that, because this, I don't know how bad this gets. Just get it off, get it loose. And once you get it loose, take it off, clean everything up. Take this off out of here. And as you can see, I've been trying to hit this side out and this side out this way, but you need some kind of a spatula to put in the middle and be breaking all this stuff, because the stuff is right under this thing. It's really strong, so you gotta have something. And I don't know if you can see this oil is coming out. I'll let you see so you can see. It's kind of like it has something black, like it's clear, but I don't know if you can see. It's not that clear, it's kind of black. So I think it's a good thing that I'm replacing this, but I'm just letting you know you gotta use some kind of a spatula to put in between. Okay guys, so I was telling you need to put the in the middle, in between. You gotta open one side and hit with the hammer at the end, push it in, and it's gonna open. And you got this over here so it doesn't come out. So it's gonna start dropping out. And as you can see, I don't know if you can see, this is kind of black. It's not clear. So I'm guessing this is just like a regular oil change from the engine or the transmission. Over time it gets broken down. So I'm guessing it's a needed it is a needed thing to replace. So as you can see now, well, I think it's better if you have it because that way you can leave it open. Okay guys, so you can see everything almost came out. What you need to do here, if you have some RTB, what I usually do is get one of these and clean this thing up like this. This is not as bad as some others, so you can just clean it like this, and this is the way I usually do it. So just get one of these razor blades and just be careful to not get stuck and cut your fingers. So just do this, try and do this, just clean it. Once you clean everything over here, this thing is not that bad. Everything looks fine right here. Everything looks good inside. Down here, I don't really see any metal shavings. It's only a little kind of black. A little here, the walls, everything is kind of black, but I don't know if it's all oil or what. Because as you can see, look at this. This is supposed to be clear, right? But it's kind of black. Down here, all this is supposed to come out, so I think you're gonna have to help this to get out, like with a rag or something. So just get everything cleaned up. If you don't want any of this stuff going into this, you can just put some rags into it. So put some rags in here, some rags to cover this, and then clean, and then use some carburetor cleaner to clean everything on the edge, and then time to put everything back. Put the silicone on that thing on the cover, and put your bolts and tighten, and then start filling up. And I don't know if you can see, but this is not that little. It's like maybe 4/4. I'm looking at this, and this is like 4/4 of oil. And I don't know if you can see, this thing is like kind of black, you know, like regular use. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the thing, the cover. This goes like this. As you can see, that the bottom parts were supposedly was leaking, but I think it was not leaking. So if you can see, wherever the clean oil is, right down there, that's where it used to stop. And on top, this is all black. This is all supposed to be clear as down there. So what you have to do is clear all this RTB, old RTB, and this RTB from the inside too, and then leave it clean. And as you can see, the bolt is right there. The bolt has some metal, so clean that up too. Okay guys, so I was telling you, this you can cover just so it doesn't get any down there. And as you can see, I was trying to clean with the spatula. You can do that to remove any big stuff that you can take with the other one, just like that. So I hope you understand the idea. So you clean this, the bigger one, whatever it is that you need to remove, like this one. You see that one came out, but then every other little thing, what you can do is use this thing. Wow. And as you can see, I already cleaned this one. Maybe needs a little more, but I think that's enough. It's better than it already was. So you can do it like this. This is what I was telling you about. This is the way that I always do it. Clean knee gasket. If you have the tools like the wheel with the cleaning wheel, you can use that one. It's faster. But I think mostly homeowners, I mean like not homeowners, but you know, like DIY guys, I know who wanna have a lot of tools. But yeah, look, so this is how I do it. Like most everything that I I clean this mostly with these things. Okay, looking better. Okay, one more thing I wanted to show you. To clean all of that, you can use carb chalk and parts cleaner. I just go like this, and then I just go clean it little by little. So what this thing does, removes the oil. You can do however you want, but what I know that things, the carburetor cleaner breaks up all the oil and a little bit of this thing right there, the silicone. So let's say you put a little bit like that, right? And then you go like this, like to clean it. And you can clean everything you want. That's up to you. When you're happy with how clean you have it. Like for me, this is not a big deal, so I'm not gonna do it like 100%. Yeah, I think that's already better than I was. And if you can see, I'm still removing some of this stuff. I think for me that's enough. I think for me that's enough. I'm not gonna deal with this so much. Oh shoot. So if that happens to you, that's normal. Okay, so let's grab another one of these. I know you guys can clean it better. I know. But I'm just gonna show you a little bit what you can do. You can do it better. Just do it. You know, if you have a sandpaper, sand all this. I have the sandpaper. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna sand it and I'm gonna show you. I'm about to sand it. Okay, guys. So you can use sandpaper to clean this up. Right now I'm using 150. I think it's not that good for you, but this is the only thing I got. So this thing, I got 220 sandpaper. 220 is better, but I am showing you with 150, so you can see how So after you're happy with your sanding, you're happy with your sanding, you're happy that it doesn't have silicone, RTV silicone, and you like it just the way it is, you can remove this thing because this thing is in your way now. So just remove it, and as you can see, it's cleaner. I'm not gonna say it's 100% clean, because I know there might be some people that are gonna be like, oh, you should clean it better, but you know, this is my own truck, and I think that's good for now. It's 1999 Ford e250, has 180,000 miles in it, and I'm doing this because I don't know if before has been done or not. So now I'm about to clean all these things from the bottom, and that's what you should do too. Okay, so I already cleaned this, some paper, blade, razor blade, and then some rag with carpet shop cleaner, and with your hand you clean it. And then after this, here on the inside there's some oil in it, and the way you could clean that is by putting a rag. You can put a rag in and push it like right there under, and right here there's a channel too. So if you push here, the rag is gonna get all the oil. Just try to not scratch or push anything hard, because once this thing gets in, I'm telling you, it's a rag. It's supposed to take everything from the bottom. I didn't see any metal shavings, only on the bolt, on the screw, on the thing. There was some metal, but I think it was normal, nothing bad. So after this, you just pull it out, and I used like 10 rags, something like that. So I think with what I got in here is enough. Now what I'm gonna do is clean one last time here with this chalk cleaner, and then this one clean with carpet chalk cleaner, and put the silicone. Okay, so you do this, and then go like this all around. That's gonna get rid of the oil and some of whatever is left in there. That's it. And this one too. So do the same with this one. You can just grab some of this, spray it, and then go like this all around, and just put the silicone, and then you can start put everything back. Okay guys, so this is the way I did it. I know it is not perfect, but you know, I'm not a mechanic, I'm just doing this on my own. I use this silicone is high temp RTV gasket. So the way you are supposed to do this, there is not any oil in there. As you can see, it's clean, this is clean. What you should do is grab one of these things, grab one bolt, and you're gonna put it on top. Just gonna go just gonna try and go and put it as straight as you can. Okay, so just go something like that, and then put your bolt on top. Put your bolt on top, you got it. and then just it says hand tighten. So I got it. Okay, so now I just put two. I don't know if this is movable, you can still move it. If you don't have enough, you just go like you know, hand tighten. Everything is going in, you see. I got three already. You can do hand tighten first. Okay. Okay. So I put three. This one is fourth. Okay, that's okay. So as you can see, everything is going smoothly. Okay. Everything is going good. You can see the silicone on top is starting to go out. The silicone on the side is going to go out too. The silicone on this side is gonna go all around out. You can put anyhow you want it. I just, you know, I don't. Okay, got it. So put them like that. Okay. This one on top. I don't know what I did. Okay, got it, no problem, everything is okay. I know you guys can do this. This is not a big deal. Anybody can do it. These bolts are the ones from the bottom. But I didn't clean them. So I'm about to clean them now, just a little bit. Just the head, you know, like the head. And the others I put on the bottom, you see, they're clean. I'm hoping this is not so long, the video. And I'm hoping you have ideas how to do this, because I need to make it easy for you guys. Not as easy, but you have an idea. So okay guys, so as you can see, this is 9/16. I got all of them inside. The instructions for the RTB say that you have to put these things hand tighten, and then you wait for it to cure in 1 hour. So you can see the RTB coming out, and that is good, because you know it's in there. I'm telling you, this is only hand tighten. Well, not hand tighten, but you know, like that. Come on, man. And then just go like this all around. Okay, so you see all the RTB on the edge, right? Like, okay, Okay, got it. Okay, so as you can see, guys, this thing is not 100% tightened, right? Okay, so I'm doing this because I'm gonna let this dry for an hour, and then I'm gonna come back and refill, because that's what it says, let the RTV dry for 1 hour. So you can see all around it's orange, right? That is good, because now you know it's well covered. So I come back in 1 hour and then torque these bolts and then start refilling. Okay, guys, so I come back after 1 hour. I'm about to torque these things. I was looking at the internet and it says somewhere between 30 and 35. So I'm gonna do 30 foot-pounds on each one of them. I'm gonna go in start pattern, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, something like that. After here I guess it's just time for refilling. Okay, guys, so after 1 hour of letting that thing dry, I came back and I tightened the bolts in a star pattern, and I was doing planning to do 30 foot-pounds, but it seems like it was not enough. And then I tried 35, and still I think it wasn't enough. So what I end up doing is I did 38, like 38 foot-pounds, and I think that's good now. As you can see, all the thing on the edge. So right now I'm just gonna start refilling through here. I'm gonna put this in a container so I can see how much it is, and then based on this I'm gonna refill this one, or they say to refill until this thing right here starts dripping off. Like this should be like maybe 3 or 3.5 or 4 quarters right here. Okay, guys, another thing that I wanted to tell you about this is this thing, the oil, gear oil. If you go to like stores, big store brands like AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts, it's gonna be like $25 or $20 for each one of these. So if you pay like $25 for each one of these, you're gonna pay like $100 for these 4. So I advise you to go to Walmart and go get this at Walmart. They sell different sizes, like 75, 90 or something like that, I'm not sure. But if you buy 4 of these, I paid each one of these like $13. So it's like almost $60 in all these with tax. So I know this is expensive, but like $60 is worth it, and I'm just trying to make this easy for you guys. Okay, so the same thing with this. Okay, I got this, this one goes here, this one goes there. And I tell you, what you do is if you have something like this, just open it. You can put it on the hole right there, hold it in place. It's not gonna inside anymore. This is gonna be up, and you're gonna put this thing on top. You guys can see the idea what I'm trying to show you. This thing, put it in this hole, and then you go like up, and then just press it, and it's gonna go in. And then to let it breathe, just let it breathe from up here, and then push again, and then let it breathe from up here, and then push again, and let it breathe from up here, and then push again. And just keep pushing, keep pushing. This is my third one. It's already halfway. I hope you guys can see this. Okay guys, so after you done all of that and you fill with the 3.5 quarters of oil and it starts to drip out, the only thing you have left to do is put just this thing and start tighten it, and then that's it. You've done your differential oil change. I hope this helps someone of you. I hope it really does help some of you guys.